Why is that? I don't see a stretch mark on a celebrity, and they tend to, flaunt such beautiful dresses even after their pregnancy. So what do they do? How do they take care? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Keerthana Kalva. I'm a Chief Aesthetic Dermatologist at Inform Clinics. So very often people do wonder, why is that? I don't see a stretch mark on a celebrity, and they tend to, flaunt such beautiful dresses even after their pregnancy. So what do they do? How do they take care? Simple. They start their routine even prior to their pregnancy. They make sure they have their skin very well hydrated and very well moistured. They're very particular the kind of diet they take. They also make sure their diet is rich in essential amino acids. Their diet has good amount of multivitamins and multiminerals. So when they do take such care from prior, their skin is a lot more ready. Their skin has a good elasticity. It has a good tensile strength, That's when, even when their skin expands, even when their collagen fibers expand and move apart, their good nutritional value supports their skin system beautifully. It helps in bringing back the elastic fibers, elastin actually. It actually helps in bringing their elastin and collagen fibers. So when these fibers are constantly rebuilding and their damage is also very less, the severity of stretch mark tends to go low. So they make sure they are following such care before their pregnancy, and during their pregnancy also they make it a point to moisturize and hydrate their skin very well. And when it comes to post procedure, I mean post pregnancy or post weight gain or weight loss, and if they do notice any stretch mark, they tend to address to the stretch marks in much earlier stages, especially when your stretch mark is in red in color or when it is in black in color. That is when you should understand it is just in process of developing. And when we hit the stretch mark, then when we give the right kind of treatment, then that is when we are giving higher chances for your skin to rebuild, remodify. And that is how a celebrity maintains or vanishes their stretch mark.